A bag contains 3 green, 4 blue and 2 orange marbles. If a marble is picked at a random, then the probability that it is not an orange marble is. On a lighter note, I don't understand why do they keep so many marbles in a bag and various colored, and once they keep it, why do they want it again? That's a jovial part. Jokes apart, let's move on to the problem. Probability is what? Required upon total. Okay, what is required? We don't require the orange, so it will be either green or blue, right? So or means what? See here, in probability and means multiply, or means plus. So green are how many? 3, and blue are how many? 4. Or means 4, plus means 3 plus 4 7. That is required, and total is what? Green, blue and orange. So 3 plus 4 plus 2, that is 9, right? So probability equals to 7 by 9. That's it. Next, a black